All right. Hey, everybody who is watching. We are joining you. This is my photojournalist, Tyler, and I. We just arrived in Grizzly Flat. We are allowed as members of the media to get past some of the evacuation orders so we can provide you with current information. And at ABC 10, we stand for you and can't imagine providing you with more critical information. A lot of you are asking about your homes and structures, so we're going to do the best we can as we move in to tell you where we are. I'm also, if the quality isn't very good, I'm going to be recording this on my other work camera, and we'll post that after. So with that being said, Tyler and I are going to kind of be commenting on where we are, what we're seeing, trying to give you the addresses as best we can, what streets we're on as best we can. Again, there's down power lines, there's down trees here, so we also have to be safe. So unfortunately, we won't be able to go to every street and every address, but we will try our very best to give you information. All right, so right now we are...
This is String Canyon Road.
String Canyon Road.
This looks like 4520 String Canyon to our right.
All right. 4520 String Canyon. It's over here. And this is String Canyon Road. This is there an address there?
4508.
4508 String Canyon. And right now we're trying to head over to Winding Way. A lot of folks commented that they're wanting information in that area. This
Up on that looks like it says Rollingwood. It's the intersection Rollingwood and String Canyon.
All right, I'm just gonna
There's a
adjust myself forward a little bit. Okay, so I can. All right, here we go. It's a little better view for you all. Here's the structure over here. Again, this is String Canyon. I'm not sure what the address is on that one. Let's see if it says it. It doesn't say it on there.
Burned off. I'm sorry.
Yeah. We have some requests. There are lots of requests are coming in. We're gonna try our very best. Here we go. Here's Rollingwood and String Canyon. And again, we're heading to Winding Way right now because we got a huge amount of requests for that area. But we're going to be just slowly going through a lot of these different areas. Corner of Winding Way and Caps Crossing, Joseph is asking. So we're heading that way. We're also going to try to look at Tyler Drive because we've gotten a lot of requests for that as well. We're still over here on String Canyon. I'm trying to hold this steady for you all so it doesn't make you dizzy while showing you what's going on. Here's the home over here to the right on String Canyon if you're heading in. We have a sign right here that says, what does that say? Leone Meadows. Oh, here's Tyler Drive. We had a lot of folks asking for Tyler. They're saying it's spotty, but it's keep going. Should we go down Tyler? Can we go this way?
I believe so. If we turn left here on Tyler, I think we will intersect with Winding Way.
Okay, let's go left first, and then we'll try to go the other way.
Going up Tyler.
All right, so we're turning left onto Tyler off of
String Canyon.
String Canyon.
So this first house on the left, I'm sorry, I don't see a number, but
it's one
sorry, 4970.
4970 is still standing.
Unfortunately, your neighbor, I'm sorry, or if that's a second part of your property, that building is gone.
Again, we're on Tyler Drive here. We just turned left. Can you move your hat there,
Yes.
Tyler? Thank you.
Apologies.
Looks like this is a structure that isn't standing anymore.
Turn to your right, 6774
Oh, here we go.
as well.
6774 Tyler Drive. Someone's asking 6955, so we're close.
Okay, I'm not sure if we're going up or down.
Will it drive you nuts if I roll down the window?
No, that's okay. Go. Yeah, actually, go.
Thank you. All right, hopefully that gives folks a little better. Video's frozen, but you can hear you. Sorry, folks. Again, I'm recording this on a separate phone, so I'll post that after. Here's the intersection of Tyler and Road 1926. It looks like it's right next to a huge water tank here. Unfortunately, right next to it, this house, 6807, is no longer standing. 6810, we have one that's here, 6810. I'm not sure what this address is. We're gonna go slow here. 6823 on the left here.
And this is Tyler Drive still.
Yeah, this is Tyler Drive, folks.
Wow, it missed it.
Yeah, there's a couple still standing here. Let's see. Someone said my home is standing. That makes me really happy to hear. I'm not sure what this address is. We have
6828 is what you're
6828 is what you're looking at now. On the other side, it looks like it made a huge difference just between these two sides of the streets. Gosh. Oh, it's heartbreaking to see. This makes me want to cry.
6841.
6841 is no longer standing. We have over here 6840 is still here. Looks like it got really close on the side there, but it looks like the structure is still standing. So 6840. What's this one? I'm not sure. Whatever's across from 6840 is not standing. Gosh, I'm hoping I'm bringing some of you some good news. This is really hard to see. If I'm moving around too much, please let me know too. Looks like this structure is destroyed. Again, we're still on Tyler Drive here. Very appropriate for you, huh?
That power line is still
Ooh, yeah,
burning.
you can see this is why unfortunately we can't make it to every house out here. There's still things burning. A lot of downed power lines.
And the sheriff did mention to us everything's de-energized in this area, so we are still being cautious around these lines.
Yes.
But just so you all know.
Ooh, do we have an address for this one? There's a cone out front, folks. Looks like some nice little entryway there. All right, we have on the right, we're still on Tyler Drive. All right, we have an intersection here.
Oh, that's
Pine Haven and Tyler. So that's where we are right now. It's kind of hard for us to see the addresses. A lot of them are not standing anymore, but we're on the intersection of Tyler and Pine Haven. Again, we're going to try to get to as many as we can here. Someone asked, can we go the other way down Tyler, please? We will try to turn around. Right now we're trying to go towards Winding Way.
Yeah, we can meet up.
Someone's asking about Kybers, which is where we were yesterday. We were there till around 6 and it was still good.
We might have another crew up there, but I'm not
Okay, here we go. 6921 is this place.
And again, you can see it's still burning in some areas.
Yeah.
Got some down trees. Thanks.
And be careful. All right, we have a structure over here.
6928.
6928 Tyler Drive. All right, and what's this one? 6943. Doesn't look that one's standing. All right. And Vicky said, this is so sad. I'm a native California. I hate to see my state burning. Me too, Vicky. I'm born and raised in California. It's heartbreaking. 6955. Unfortunately, it's not still standing. Looks like it's still smoking.
Hold on, I'm going to turn slightly so you can look at the drive.
Thanks.
6955.
Oh, there we go.
Sorry.
6955. Jinky, yes, I'm recording this on 2 phones right now. So you'll have another video that's probably better quality than the Facebook. Okay, we got a structure that's standing up here. A blue home. We have one over here too. This just looks like maybe it was property. Looks like this one. Oh, there's a deer right there.
Yeah, there's a couple.
All right, 6981. Some good news for you if you're watching. Looks like your home, your beautiful home, is still standing. Lori, I'll be posting the other video on my Facebook page as well. We're heading to Winding Way, Dylan. That's where we're trying to go right now. We're just going very slow to show you guys what we're seeing on Tyler Drive here, as well as be careful ourselves. It looks like there's a truck up there that's untouched.
Yeah.
Which is, I guess that's good news.
I can't see the address on that, but it's right next to the 69.
Neighbors, yeah. A lot of people happy for the homes that are still standing here. We have a structure that's still standing over here. It's like a green structure. Do you see an address?
I'm not sure. So this is 6995. Unfortunately, I think it's a little hard to see if you live on 6995. I'm not sure. I believe it's that structure right there.
It looks like there's one in the back.
There's some. I'm not sure if that's another street or if that's maybe this next address. But yeah, there looks like I see two buildings back there.
This is next door. We have a home that's for sale. It looks like it's still standing. There's one over here, folks. What is this? 7014. 7014 Tyler Drive. Taylor, I'm not sure which house you're referring to, but I'm hoping it's one of the ones that's still standing.
I can't see the address.
This one was for sale.
Unfortunately,
Yeah. There's one next to it that's standing.
Let's see if we can see the address.
Oh wait, sorry. I want to make sure we get the ones over here too.
Oh yeah, we almost just missed that one. I missed the number there, but there is a downed power line right in front of that driveway too, so I can't.
Yeah, that's
go
okay.
down and see.
It's right across from. We're still on Tyler Drive.
Yes.
Tyler Drive and Quietwood is the street. The cross streets we're on. This one is still standing.
This is the intersection of Tyler and Quietwood, it looks like. There's a car.
There's a car over there. That's your car?
There's a car and a
red
SUV
Jeep.
or a Jeep, it looks like.
Red Jeep, and the structure the red Jeep is parked in front of is still standing. We're on Tyler and Quietwood. There's a home over here that's still standing.
There's
131 Tyler Drive, is that right? Or there's
possibly. Yeah.
possibly, I'm not sure
I'm
if
not
that's an
sure.
address.
I think this one up to the left, that might be a Quietwood address. Unfortunately, it's not standing, but up here to the left. It looks like there were a couple structures on this property, but what looks like potentially the main house in the back is still standing. Sorry, my voice is probably muffled. I don't see an address, unfortunately. But
Yeah, it's pretty clear if that's your home.
yeah, if you recognize the walkway or the home, it is still standing. Wash out.
Yeah, careful. The property to the right is my friend's. We're trying to see if there's a container still here.
A container.
Not seeing much. All right, I think we have a lot of people still asking about Winding Way, so
Yeah,
we're gonna
about-
keep heading that way. Here,
think we're almost
7061 Tyler. Kelly, we're heading to Winding Way right now. That's what this side is looking like. Is texting me quite a bit right now.
Let me see.
Or text her.
So we've got a lot of utilities working over here. Wow. I'm gonna just speed by that. Get a shot of that. That is why it's still.
Yeah,
not
this is
super
why
safe to be
it's
up
still evacuated, folks. You know, it's fine.
there. Okay.
Whatever.
I'm looking.
Okay,
Oh, I
here's Skiriani and Winding
Okay, so I think this is turning into
Tyler
Winding Way.
Drive. So we're turning into Winding Way here.
Straight up.
Someone said Winding Way in Forest Glen. Here's kind of some of the action.
This way through.
Let me start with this one.
So this is all paging entrance. Go on to Winding Way here.
All right, let me start the other video.
Do you want me to pause?
No, we're good. Okay. Okay. 7090. I think we're on Winding Way now.
Yes.
There's a lot of people asking for us to turn onto Skiriani, so we'll try to go back there. But again, we have to be kind of careful with,
Come back around.
yeah, where we are too.
Let's see an address, unfortunately.
Someone's saying straight ahead on winding, so we'll continue to head down. No, it's a little hard for us to see the addresses right now, but this one has little lantern posts at the end of the driveway that's still standing. Might be a good marker if that's someone's home.
See a lot of.
Someone's saying take winding all the way down. You can come back on Skiriani, okay. So we'll try to do that. Unfortunately, I hate to say it, there's not a lot of structure standing on Winding Way right now that we're seeing.
I'm not sure what was to the left.
Can you take it for a second, Gonzalo?
Yes.
Hey, we're doing the Facebook Live right now. Can I call you back? Okay, bye. Okay.
Here you go.
All right.
I'm looking for any sort of number marker, but I think I actually it's covered by there's a rock in the way. I can't.
Whatever structure this was, it has a beware of the dog sign on the front there, on the front gate. Looks like some sort of car parked there. We have a couple people asking about Parkside.
Okay, this is
so this is Parkside. I want to make sure we keep going down this street though, but maybe we can go down for a little bit and come back.
Yeah, I'm not. Oh, something's still burning fairly hot back here.
All right, this is Parkside, folks, off of Winding Way. Yeah, a lot of people are saying this is heartbreaking. It really is.
I unfortunately cannot really see
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking we should go back. Yeah. We don't want to.
Let's just give a really quick look.
Yeah, we have some folks please asking for us to stay on Winding Way.
Okay.
So,
you
can still see some flames.
Okay,
all right, it looks like we're back on.
Here's a number, 7184.
7184 Winding Way is where we are right now. Yeah, folks, sorry, we kind of lost connection there for a minute. Again, I'm recording on my other phone too, so we should, I'll post those videos too, in case they're better quality. Doesn't look like an address, but this is Winding Way we're still on.
7230.
7230 Winding Way. We have 7238 Winding Way here. Oh, we're back. All right. Do we have this address?
I don't.
Wow, look at this power pole.
Yeah, that looks like that went recently. Yeah, this whole area.
Again, we're on Winding Way Road.